Tong Puk in Thai. In English, golden brown. Let's start. Now I will start with ingredient. With flour, water, salt, sugar, baking powder, butter, and eggs. Add flour.
Wet warm flour and then put it one by one.
Make it brown. Each 2 spoons.
Next, add some chickens put in the pan. Put curry powder in the pan. Mix our chicken. Mix all together. And next, put the carrot in the pan with ground chicken. Mix all together. Next, put potato in the pan. Half, only half. Mix all together. It's a beautiful color. Put salt in the pan.
Taste on tasty flavor. You know Tong Puk? Tong Puk or golden brown with chicken filling. That is a Thai appetizer. It is one of auspicious Thai dessert, which is not traditional Thai dessert, but derived from Portuguese culture. Yeah, and actually, Tong Puk in the past we eat with syrup or honey, but right now the people adapt as salty chicken in nowadays.